everyone, welcome back to Kavitha's Sugar and Spice. Today we are going to make a strawberry milkshake which will be very refreshing in this hot summer. First, let's slice 6 to 8 nice and ripe strawberries. I took 8 strawberries here. You can take 6 or 8 strawberries depending on the size and taste of the strawberries. Now I am going to transfer this into a blender or a mixer. Now I am going to pour 1/4 cup of milk into this. We'll blend it into a nice smooth paste. Once we have a nice smooth paste, we can add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and we can add rest of our milk, which is 1/2 cup of milk. I'm using chilled milk here. Next we are going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. This is going to be a nice and thick strawberry shake. So let's take this and blend it into a smooth paste. Now we have our strawberry milkshake ready. Let me transfer this into a serving glass. You can use ice cubes if you want. I used chilled milk, so I did not use any ice cubes here. I'm filling the glass 3/4 full because I'm going to add whipped cream on top of this, which is totally optional, but I'm sure kids would love this. After that, you can place a strawberry on the side of the glass, give a slit like this, and keep it on the rim of the glass. Now our strawberry milkshake is ready to serve. I'm sure it will be a treat for you in this hot summer. Please do try it and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.